Hi everyone, welcome to Scriptless Automation. So, we have seen a lot of commands in the previous sections, right? Now we are going to learn about driver actions like refresh. So, basically, if you want to do the refresh in the driver, you need to write driver dot navigate dot refresh, right? And it's very hard to remember. In our case, it's just a command. Okay, so let's see what is our use case around that and how we'll be using our command. For this, we'll be seeing series of documentations. Okay, so this is the website which we are going to work on. In this, we'll be going on the tabs here, and right in the tabs, okay, when I click on origin, you can see that data is changing. Now I will refresh it, and if you see, it is came to what, but thing is we how to validate this one, like what, how refresh will be used in this use case. Now when you click on the what, you can see your area selected is equals to true, right? Here you can see it is selected as a true, but on the origin, if you check that one, it is giving you as a false. So this is our validation point. Now in our case, what I do is, once it is loaded, we'll verify that what should be true and origin should be false. When I click on origin, what should be false, origin should be true. Now when I refresh it, what happens, what should be true and origin should be false. So this is our use case. Now coming to the validation, how we are going to do the validation, we are going to use attribute equal ignores, or we can use attribute equals. In our case, we are using attribute equal ignores, where we'll give the expected value and the attribute property. That means we'll be giving here, where is the element, that means we'll be giving as a true, okay, and bar, again we'll be giving this attribute value, attribute name. This is the format, and this is an example. You can see the form input slash and means bar and class. Now let's see the use case. That means how we'll write in our automation. So I have created directory for this. Under that, I will be creating a file called refresh underscore sanity.csv. Right now, we need this template. Let's copy this template, add it here, okay, and copy this link, add it here. Right, we have added. Now I need a tab property file to store my elements. What next path, next origin. So see how simple it is, right? Origin. If you go like this, how many test cases we can write per day? You can imagine yourself. Okay, that's it here. Now coming to here. When I load here, I need to go to the tabs property, comma. It's a none, right? We do not need to wait, and yeah, there is no scroll, and element name is what. There is no action, there is no send keys. Validation type is true. We are validating attribute. So here, okay, this one, and validation type is, yeah, attribute equals. Okay, now that's it, done. Now copy this. We'll be doing on the origin also, and but for that it will be false. See, now here we'll be adding an action, right, for refresh. Okay, we haven't tested one thing. We need to click on what, right? Here we need to click no send keys. These both will be none, none, again none, we are doing refresh. Okay, before doing the refresh, we need to validate these two are reversed or not. False. Right? Now we need to do the refresh part. You can search for refresh. Okay, click on this. Just we are doing the refresh. Now again it should be the this two part. Okay, how simple our use case is. Let's run this one and we'll see copy this and test ng. Sorry, in the configuration file test ng, add this one, remove sanity. Now trigger our automation. Here there is no code, so we need not to do any debugging part. If there any issue will be there, that 95% it will be because of the test data. Okay, we got a failure. Let's see why it failed. We have this one here. We can see what actual is true does not match with false. Okay, and origin has no action. This happened when this happened when what has a no reaction and origin. Okay, so here we can raise a request with team saying that our reports are not accurately representing because we does not know where it happens. Now I need to go by step in my case here. Okay, when I clicked, okay, here what happens, here it goes on what it got the actual. Okay, it got the true. Now it have what happens, this is the first two steps, right? Next it clicked on, okay, here we did the mistake. See what happens, we have origin and here, okay, but this is right, we clicked on the what. Okay, we have clicked on the what, we have to click on the origin. Now it will be correct. Run this. See, as I told you, 99% actually it will be issue with your test data only. It's not with your code because there is nothing in the code here. See, it got passed. Now come here and see. Yeah, but yeah, still we can request our team to improve the reporting part, right? Because we are not seeing any refresh action is performed. So that needs to be also be recorded so that we can users can easily understand what's happened. Okay, even click also does not it is not represent. So yeah, we can request our team to improvise this. Thanks for watching the video, and if you want to learn more cool stuff like this, comment in the section. We will make a video on that. Thank you. Bye.